Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got this look for you using the Morphe X Jeffree Star palette, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is the finished look that I got for you. I had so much fun creating and playing with this palette. This palette is amazing. If you don't have it, I would highly recommend that you do get it because the shades in here are insane. Like the pigmentation on them are just amazing. A lot of them obviously are pressed powders rather than actual eyeshadow. So they do work and they're more vibrant when they're on a sticky base or like a wet base. So I would definitely recommend putting a primer or even concealer over your eyes and don't set it. They definitely work because I did have to go over on the outer corners and the outside of the eyelid a couple of times because it did lose its pigmentation a little bit, but as soon as I put the concealer on the base to try and do like a little bit of a cut crease, obviously I'm still learning with that, the colours, especially in the glitters and the shimmers that come out then, were amazing. The Millions glitter here, it's like a pressed glitter, and it's almost like, I think it was Sophie Does Nails described it as mixed with, almost like it's mixed with Vaseline. So it's really good and it's so pigmented, the glitter in that. I have already taken a chunk out of it because I didn't realise it was as loose as it was, but it's crazy. I'm just going to dip into some of these shades for you now, and I think I'm going to go for Self-Made. I'll go for Nate, and we're going to go Wand Noise, and we'll go for 2. The top row here is Welcome Back to My Channel, and then the Wand Noise there, which is obviously, if you watch Jeffree Star's channels and his videos, you'll know what that is. But yeah, I'm gonna do like a few little swatches there. So we've got the pink, the green, look, they're so pretty. You'll see it there. That's really pretty. So I would definitely, if you are unsure whether or not you want to buy the palette and can't make up your mind, definitely, well, I would definitely say go out and buy it. If not, even just watch a couple more videos and people will probably tell you exactly the same thing. But they're definitely for the pigmentation. And I love Morphe palettes. I can't say I've got anything bad to say about Morphe. They do some of my favourite eyeshadow palettes. Actually 2 of my favourite, which is the Jeffree Star Alien palette and the Morphe 35M Boss Move palette. They are 2 of my favourite palettes out there. So I would definitely recommend the Morphe brand. I'm definitely looking forward to creating some more bright, out there, crazy looks with this palette. If you did enjoy this video, then please remember to give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe. It really does help me out. And remember to hit that bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I do try and upload Sundays and Wednesdays, but at the moment, these past couple of months, they have varied a bit. Follow me over on my Instagram account, which is just here, and also on my Twitter account, which is also just here. And until next time, take care.